The Oregon Applied Sustainability Internship Program connects businesses in Oregon with college students to help meet their sustainability and pollution prevention goals while providing hands-on workforce development in the environmental field. Since 2017, Oregon Department of Environmental Quality and Oregon Sea Grant have partnered to implement the internship program with funding from the EPA Pollution Prevention Grant. Businesses across the state from Ashland to Portland, 8 businesses are in the food and beverage industry, and we're so excited that they've been able to partner with us to bring our students such an amazing hands-on experience.
I think that OASIS is giving me such a great opportunity to be able to learn from Rogue Creamery and hopefully be able to apply it to myself and my own business in the future.
OASIS was an excellent opportunity for me to work with a nonprofit in Eugene and do work with food and beverage manufacturers to get an idea of how their operations are impacted by making environmentally friendly decisions.
Just a lot more hands-on experience with providing connections with other businesses.
As an OASIS intern, I've had so much fun this summer. I've got to meet a lot of people that I wouldn't have had a chance to meet otherwise. Got to learn so much.
So I'm really happy to be with OASIS, and so it's nice to kind of get the sustainability side while also applying my engineering skills in sort of creative ways.
The structure that OASIS provides, like making sure you have a mentor at your site and that you have academic advisor that you can connect with.
Being able to have that boots on the ground experience with this unique sustainable agriculture system that they have going was just especially appealing to me, and I'm really excited to be here.
The work in the wine and beverage space, which I think has lots of potential to cut down on single-use packaging and again, be more environmentally conscious in that sense.
The Oregon Department of Environmental Quality and Oregon Sea Grant are so excited because we've been able to provide so many businesses across the state with free technical assistance. We want them to achieve their environmental goals, and this program helps them do that.